Traditional laser skin resurfacing treatments are very effective, but are aggressive, require anesthesia in the operating room, and have a long recovery time associated with them. In an effort to try to shorten recovery times, even if you give up a bit in terms of outcome, we've developed what's widely referred to as fractional laser treatments. Fraxel is a name brand similar to Ford or Chevrolet, and there are a lot of different types of lasers that deliver fractional treatments. Fractional treatments can be divided into two categories. One category requires multiple sessions between 4 and 6, but there's minimal downtime, maybe a day or two that the skin is pink. You don't tend to see improvement in skin tightening, but you can improve color. The other family of fractional treatments is more aggressive. There's about a week of recovery time, but in addition to improving brown discoloration and superficial wrinkles, you can get some tightening and improvement of deeper wrinkles. Even the more aggressive fractional resurfacing treatments can be done in the office. They don't require a trip to the operating room, and the recovery time is much shorter, about 1 week, than that associated with traditional treatments.